Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share the work that we finished, the upgrade the second time in MITSUBISHI Pajero, and this one is the Exceed model. A few days ago we already made introduction video about this one, and now we actually finished the job. So basically in this video we would like to share about how the the surrounding camera working in this car. Currently it is installed and tuned up with the 4 different camera, one at the rear bottom left, sorry, on the rear bottom bumper bar, one on the rear wheel covers, one on the left side mirror, and one on the right side mirror. So at first just walk out and see where the camera is there. Okay, here we go. This is the first camera. Okay, that's over there on the bumper. This one will have to see the turbo on the level that the owner want to tow and hook this one into the trailer, and he can see the level of the turbo. That's a great idea. And then we have the second camera on the wheel cover. Okay, this second camera will look from the top down to the turbo, just right on the turbo, so you can have to see the turbo on 2 different angle of view. One is straight view with the bottom one, and one from the top down for the view. And here is the right side mirror camera. So that is the right side mirror camera over there. Okay, so it's like here, and the wiring is set up that the mirror can fold in and fold out, that don't damage the wiring. The same thing on the left side mirror. Okay, so this one is the camera, and it will have to see the thing very well. Now the good thing about the system is the 4 camera is designed on demand. What it means is the camera system can follow up the demand when drive or reverse with all of them. So when the driver driving forward and he turned the signal, okay, so the camera now is on the left side mirror. I turn the signal on the left side, okay, and now I turn the right side signal, and it turned on the right side mirror camera. Okay, now we assume that we are driving, and we turn on signal, so that's the way it works for the 2 side camera. Now if in case the driver is driving backward, okay, he will see the turbo like this level, which is the level that he wants for the bottom. Okay, so he see the turbo and how leveling this one to the trailer at the back end. Now the second camera at the back will help him to see from the top down, and you see the turbo is right here, but it is adjustable if in case we want to show this turbo to the front a little bit more. Okay, now even more than that, if in case he's really reverse and he want to see camera, okay, he want to see camera more, he actually can use this controller, and he starts seeing the rear camera at the bottom again, and the camera from the top looking down again. Okay, and he also can put the left side camera on to see when he reverse. We are talking about reverse now. Okay, so the gear is in reverse, and all the camera can be controlled on demand like this. 4 camera. Okay, so 4 of them. Now if in case he's driving from forward, okay, so then if in case he's driving forward, then he can of course control and see all the camera on demand like this way. Okay, and that's so easy to use. That's very easy. Okay, so that's the way we actually work on our 4 camera system, and that is what we call on demand reverse camera and front camera and sideway camera system, 4 of them, and fully controlled by automatic or manual. So yep, that is the way we are doing the job, and it's already been finished. So yep, we are looking to handle the car back to the owner very soon. And yep, thanks again for watching. So we'll see you on the next one.